Right, in this video I'm going to show how to put back the drum clutch together with the flywheel, and I'm going to tighten both of them. But before I do this, I need to block the piston inside the cylinder head. So for this I'm going to use 2-3 millimeter wire just to put it inside as much as I can. First, next I'm putting the drum clutch. It's the opposite, counterclockwise. I'm using 15 millimeter head. Next, for the flywheel, first of all I have to insert this kind of washer so it keeps the crankcase sealed. I'm going to use a little bit oil on top of it. Alright. And 3 screws.